Today, a very simple survivor shelter using nothing but nature and a couple of trash bags. After getting your tripods made, you want to space out the distance so you know exactly how far apart your tripods need to go. At this point, cut the bottoms of the bag, slide the logs all the way through. Adjust it as you need. You can make any adjustments you want as you go. As long as you're not on the ground, you're good to go. There you go. Now this is not the prettiest setup. It's just a really quick hack job to show you how it's done. So now, to test it right here with you, I'm not going to cut this out. I'm going to lay down. I'm going to take off my knife just in case. I'm going to go ahead and lay down, and we'll see if it all collapses on me, whether this was a success or not. That is surprisingly comfortable. All right. So that was fun. And it worked. Yeah. I'm super excited about that. Can't wait to give it a try. Don't have time in this video, but thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. If not, you're one step ahead of me. Be smart out there. Please stay safe. And thanks as always for bearing with me.